Okay, nobody will give the option. Is 1.627, B 16 1.27, C 16 162.7, and D 16.27. So first let me list all the problem, okay? Then by one we will do. First let me 16.27. 16.27 into 10. Okay. Now 11.349 minus 5.57 plus 9.28 minus 12.6 is option A 2.456, B option 2.459, 2.457, C 2.458, D option 2.459. Okay, let me first list all the problem. Nobody will tell the answer immediately. Okay. Convert, third one. Convert 5.08 into mixed fraction. Convert 5.08 into mixed fraction. Option A. 5 is to 1 by 25. B 5 is to 2 by 25. C 5 is to 3 by 25. And D 5 is to 4 by 25. So take your own time. Don't be in a hurry. Okay. Yes, do it. I will. Then. No. You start solving. Meanwhile, I am giving you new question. Okay. 2 is to 1 by 4. 2 is to 1 by 4 divided by 5 by 7. 5 by 7 into 1 by 3. Into 1 by 3. 1 is to 1 by 3. Into 1 is to 1 by 3. Big fraction. Okay. Is option A 3 is to 1 by 5. B 4 is to 1 by 5. C 6 is to 1 by 5. D 7 is to 1 by 5. So 4 questions are there. 5 minutes I am giving. 5 minutes I am giving. Okay. Get the answer in 5 minutes. No, nothing. Unless and until I say, do not put any answer in the chat box. Okay. Except answer, nothing should be written in the chat box. Everybody is under surveillance. What you are writing, what you are writing in the chat box, that is considered as a proof. So accept answer, be in the discipline, write only specific answer. If the option is A, you write A. Don't write A, everything. You have to be in the discipline, that's all. And learning will be more fruitful whenever there is discipline from your end and discipline from our end. Discipline does not mean very strict. With very much pleasant mind we can learn and teach. Okay, so nothing to. Chalo, 2 minutes more I am giving. After that, I will read the answer and accept option answer. Nothing should be written in the chat box. It is my humble request to all of you. Okay, and new Setia is there. You are the monitor of the class for E division, F division, maths monitor. Okay. So you keep on, you solve, and you are the monitor, means you have to see whether it is everybody is in the discipline or not in the chat box. Okay. Whoever name new Setia will forward definitely. Action will, yes. So you focus on that, new Setia. You focus on solving the problem. Chalo, 11:43. Chalo, 1 more minute. Chalo, 1 more minute I'm giving. Take 1 more minute. Chalo. Take 1 more minute. Take 1 more minute. Take 1 more minute. One more minute. हाँ 1 minute. चलो 1. Everybody चलो. दुर्गेश राणा C, परबोरा C, श्रेया वीरा C, हितांशी संघवी B, हितांशी संघवी B. Check the answer. हितांशी. अदिति गाड़ा C, कृषांक C, तन्वी दत्ता C, कनिक विजयवर्गीय C, समृद्धि श्रवणी, दुर्गेश राणा C, न्यू सेठिया C. Yes, anybody else? Jay Madhav Das Solanki. Arey, wait, my dear. Daksh Patel C, Siddhant Singh C. Yes, Veer Gupta C. Daksh Patel C. Daksh Patel C. Veer Gupta C. Yes, anybody else? Ye 1 minute, my dear. No, Yuvraj Patel C. Yuvraj Patel C. Okay, so majority are giving the answer C, but I will not log the answer C. I will not log the answer C because here 16.27 into 10. So this I have already taught you, my dear. 16.27 into 10. See here. What? No. See, whenever, so this we write, whenever you are multiplying by 10, 100, 1000, you have to shift the decimal to the right. You have to shift the decimal to the right from wherever it is. 1 0 is there, so you have to shift 1 decimal to the right. So this becomes 162.7. Okay. So D, so C. Chalo, C is the correct answer, 162.7. Sorry. Okay. So correct option is C. Very good. So whoever has given the answer, do not send me the answer. So for first, the correct option was C, 162.7, and majority of you gave the correct answer. Okay. Shreya Veera gave the answer C, Veer Gupta C. Chalo. Second question, send me the answer. Second, Krishang Pankaj D, Krishang D, Parvora D, पर वोरा डी, दुर्गेश राणा डी, न्यू सेठिया डी, श्रेया वीरा डी, अदिति गाड़ा डी, वेदांत जैन डी, वीर गुप्ता डी, चलो युवराज पटेल डी, वीर गुप्ता डी, तन्वी दत्ता डी, समृद्धि डी, ऐशा डी, हाँ श्रुति प्रधान डी, वेदांत डी, कृष्णा जैन डी. See, from F division, from E division and F division, from E division and F division, let me call out the name of those students who got 25 out of 25 in maths. From E division, that student who has got 25 out of 25 in assessment 1, they are Shreya Veera Hitesh 25 out of 25, Vijay Vargiye Kanika 25 out of 25, and Vishwa Rao Dhanvi 25 out of 25. So there are 3 students from E division and one student from F division. She has got 25 out of 25. Her name is Gada Aditi Atul. So Aditi Gada in F division, she has got 25 out of 25. So out of so many students, only 4 students have got 25 out of 25. But this time our target is that each one of you should get 40 out of 40. Okay? Huh? Yes. So 1 mark matter, my dear. 1 mark matter in mathematics. Plus sign matter in mathematics. Minus sign matter in mathematics. But what I want to say, this time our target is each one of you should get 40 out of 40. Not even a single student should be left who has got 39. So this time our target is 40 out of 40. So we will keep on doing the revision till your exam does not get over. Okay? हाँ चलो, हाँ सेकंड का आंसर भेजो. सेंड मी द आंसर ऑफ सेकंड. चलो once more. No, second one. हाँ second one. अरे my dear, दुर्गेश राणा डी, वीर गुप्ता डी, second answer. श्रेया वीरा डी, हितांश संघवी, वीर गुप्ता डी, दुर्गेश राणा डी, वंश भानुशाली A. How once you are getting A? Check the calculation. Krishank D, Veer Gupta D, New Setia D, Daksh Patel D, Kanika Vijay Varge D, Krishank Pankaj D, Daksh Patel D, Vedant Jain D, Jay Madhav Das Solanki D, Aditi Gada D. अरे भाई वेट करो. Krishank Pankaj D, Shavni Bane D, Krishank. Okay, so majority are giving the answer D. Let us check the answer D. So first we'll subtract these two. Or 11.349 minus 5.57. 5.57 we write 5.570 like decimal, correct? 9 minus 0 9, 14 minus 7 7, 12 minus 5, 12 minus 13 minus 5. This one was carried. So 12 minus 5 is 7, 10 minus 5 is 5. 5.779 is answer of these two. Now we add this. 5.779 plus 9.28. 28 we write 280 like decimal. 9, 8 plus 7, 15, 10, 15, 15.059. From that I have to subtract 12.6. 12.6 we write 600. 9 minus 0, 9, 5, 10 minus 6, 4, 3 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 5 minus 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 2, 2.459. 2.459 is option D. So D was the correct answer. Yes, so D was the correct answer. 2.459. Okay. Okay. So wait, unless and until I ask to send the answer of third, do not send me the answer. So how many of you got both correct? Just okay. चलो, दुर्गेश राणा, श्रेया वीरा, वीर गुप्ता, देन कृषांग, दक्ष पटेल, नीव सेठिया, okay, and other student Aditi Gada, so many students they got 2 corrected. चलो, send me the answer of third answer. Hitan Sangvi 3, do not tell me 3, tell me the option. Third one, convert 5.08 into mixed fraction. Veer Gupta C, Krish Chauhan B, Shreya Veera B, Krishank Pankaj B, New Sethia B, Aisha B, Hitanshi B, Shravani Bane B, Divi Patel B, Krishank B, Parbora B, Krishank B, Parbora B, Shreya Parmar B, New Sethia B, Vedant Jain B, Krishank Jay Madhavdas Solanki B, Krishank B, Parbora B. Okay, so Veer Gupta gave the answer A. B. Okay, let us check it. Let us log the answer B and verify whether B is the correct option or not. 5.08. Whenever you have decimal, then to convert this into fraction, we remove the decimal. When we remove the decimal, after decimal, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So divide by 100. Okay? Divide by 100. Now 508. You can write 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 10. 4 7s are 28. 127 into 4 upon 25 into 4. 4 get cancelled. So that is 127 upon 25. Now to convert this into mixed fraction, divide 127 by 25. 25 5s are 125. Then what is my remainder? Remainder is 2. So this I can write 5 is to 2 upon 25. 5 is to 2 upon 25, which is your option number B. Yes? Yes, correct? Clear to everyone? So is it clear to everybody, whoever are not able to give the answer? 5 is to 2 by 25. Okay. Okay, we have done it. So whenever you have decimal, to convert decimal into decimal fraction, you have to remove the decimal. Okay, you have to remove the decimal. And in chat box, except your answer, nothing should be written. Again and again I am telling you. Okay, chalo, send me the answer of fourth. Chalo. Shreya Veera B, Aditi Gada B, New Sethia B, Parbora B, Shreya Parmar B, Krishank Pankaj B. Yes, what about other? New Sethia B. What is your answer, Durgesh? What is your option? Yes, New Sethia B, Aisha Varalia B, Krishank B, Krisha Jain B, Jay Madhav Das B, Krishank B, Krisha Jain B. Yes, Veer Gupta, what is your answer? Krisha Chauhan B, Meet Doshi B, Daksh Patel B, Durgesh Rana B. Okay, finally you write. Yuvraj Patel B, Daksh Patel B, Hitanshi Sangvi B, Krishank B. 1 minute. Vedant Jain B, Shravani Bane B, Naman Singh B, Vedant Jain B. Very good. Yes, Veer Gupta, what is your answer? Daksh Patel B, Veer Gupta B. Okay. Yes, no interference. Divya Patel B, Daksh Patel B, Krishank Pankaj B. So all of you are giving the answer B, which is 4 is to 1 by 5. ठीक है, लॉक किया. Let us verify. So 2 is to 1 by 4 divided by 5 by 7 into 1 is to 1 by 3. So see here. Whenever we have division, so this is mixed fraction. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. Whenever we convert division into multiplication, division we write multiplication, we take reciprocal of second. 5 by 7 becomes 7 by 5. Into 1 is to 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. Now let us cancel the common term. 4 4 get cancelled. 3 3s are 9. So what is left? Left is 3 into 7, that is 21 upon 5. Let us divide 21 by 5. 21 by 5. 5 4s are 20. Then remainder is 1. So this I can write 4 is to 1 by 5. 4 is to 1 by 5. Which option? Option number B. Yes? Which option? Option number B. Option number B, which was correct option. Yes? Option number B, which was correct option. Chalo. So we have done 4 problems. Now see here, whenever it is subjective paper, you have to write down the detailed solution and upload the answer. Whereas in objective, only you have to click the correct answer. Okay? Chalo. Let me give one more problem. Fifth problem. Fifth one is challenging problem. Okay? 3 is to 2 by 5. 3 is to 2 by 5. Plus 2 is to 1 by 10. 2 is to 1 by 10. Divided by 4 is to 3 by 5. 4 is to 3 by 5. Minus 3 is to 3 by 10. Minus 3 is to 3 by 10. 3 is to 3 by 10. Okay? So first you will simplify this bracket, you will simplify this bracket, then you divide. Option A. Bracket 3 is to 2 by 5 plus 2 is to 1 by 10 divided by 4 is to 3 by 5 minus 3 is to 3 by 10. These are in the bracket. Okay? Option A. 1 is to 3 by 13. B. 2 is to 3 by 13. C. 3 is to 3 by 13. Yes. So take your own time. Do not worry. 4 is to 3 by 13. Okay. So this problem should be solved correctly. If mistake occurs, then nothing can be done. Okay. These are from rational number. Okay. Chalo, let me give you rational number also. The product of two rational numbers. The product of two rational numbers. The product of two rational numbers. The product of two rational numbers is 12 by 5. If one of them is minus 6 by, if one of the number is minus 6 by 7, one of the number is minus 6 by 7, okay, one of the number is, let me write this side, is minus 6 by 7, then the other number is, then the other is wait, other is 13 by 5, B minus 13 by 5, C 14 by 5, D minus 14 by 5. Which option? Sixth option. Option A is 13 by 5, B minus 13 by 5, C 14 by 5, D minus 14 by 5. Chalo, these are challenging questions. Okay? These are challenging questions. And once we log the answer, then nothing can be done. So before you send me the option, before you send me the answer, okay, before you send me the answer, chalo. Seventh one, Seventh one, I am just writing the question. 5.625 divided by 1.25 divided by 1.25. Option A 2.5, option B 3.5, option C 4.5, option D 5.5. One more question. Meanwhile, you start solving. Okay. Okay. हाँ चलो 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 हाँ let me make this as 3-star question. 3-star means difficult one. Predecessor of हाँ 4.8 5 correct option is there. My dear, it is option is correct. 4.8 divided by 0.8. 0.8 divided by successor of 9. Successor of 9. Successor of 9. Okay. Option A 0.1, option B 0.2, option C 0.3, option D 0.4. I want 8th one is 3-star question. So everybody has to participate, my dear. Each and everybody has to participate. Seventh question is 5.625 divided by 1.25. Option A 2.5, option B 3.5, option C 4.5, option D 5.5. Then chalo, send me the answer of fifth answer. Chalo, only answer, nothing else in the chat box. Krishang D, Hitan Sangvi D, once Bhanushali B, once check the calculation. Dhanvi D, New Setia D, Krishang D, once Bhanushali B, Daksh Patel D, New Setia D. Yes, what about others? Daksh Patel D, Parbora D, Daksh Patel D. Yes, Veer Gupta, where you are? Give the answer. My dear, that you will come to know in the group. WhatsApp group is there. No, message will come. Exactly what is there. Okay? I do not have any idea because from morning I am taking the class. So I do not have any idea. What is your answer? What answer of fifth? Yes, tell me. Yes, Shreya Veera, what is your answer for fifth? D1. You want to say D1, 4 is to 3 by 13. Yes, 4 is to 3 by 13. 4 is to 3 by 13, yes. So this is the correct answer, 4 is to 3 by 13. Okay, because when you will solve this, 5 3 is the 15 plus 2, 17 by 5, plus 10 2 is the 20, 21 by 10. This will be 5 4 is the 20, 23 by 5, minus 10 3 are 30 plus 3, 33 by 10. Okay, when we take LCM of these to find 10, it will be 10. So this becomes 34 upon 10. 34 upon 10. And LCM of this find 10 is 10. So this becomes 46 upon 10. 46 upon 10. So 34 plus 21 is 55. 55 upon 10 divided by 46 minus 33 is 13 upon 10. Okay. So when you convert division into multiplication, this will be 55 upon 10 multiplied by 10 upon 30. 10 10 get cancelled, 55 upon 33. 55 upon 13, which you can write in the mixed fraction. 3, 13 3s are 13 3s are 39, 13 4s are 52. Yes, 13 4s are 4 is to 3 by 13. This is the answer. Option D. Yes, answer D was absolutely correct answer. Very good, very good. Chalo, send me the answer of 6th. हाँ हाँ चलो send me the answer. Durgesh Rana C, Shreya Veera C, Krishant C, Shreya Veera C, Neev Setia C, Krishant Jain C, Neev Setia C, Aisha C, Neev Setia C, Yuvraj C, Neev Setia Par Vora C, Durgesh Rana C, Vansh Bhanushali C, Daksh Patel C, Durgesh Rana C. Yes, what about others? Yes, हाँ Hitan C, Krishant Pankaj C, Shravani Bane C. Okay, so majority are giving the answer C. Let us log the answer C. 14 by, oh, C is the wrong answer. C is the wrong answer, my dear. C is the wrong answer. You cannot log answer C. 14 by 5. How, my dear? Answer is not B. Chalo, one, see here. So, product of two number, 1 minute. Minus 6 upon 7 into second number x is 12 upon 5. So, when you will take minus 6 by 7 on the other side, it will be 12 upon 5 multiplied by minus 7 upon 6. Are my dear, when you will divide by minus 6 by 7 is same as multiplied by reciprocal of minus 7 by 6. 7 will go up, 6 will come down. Now 6 2s are 12. So answer is 2 into minus 7 plus into minus minus 14 by 5 is the answer, which is your option D. Okay? Multiplication of plus and minus is minus. That care you should take. Chalo, send me the answer. Send me the answer of 7th one. Chalo. 1 minute is there. Send me the answer of 7th. Send me the answer of 7th. Chalo. Yes, no answer. So far, Aditi Gada C. Very good, Aditi. First person. Durgesh Rana C. Daksh Patel C. Sweta Kushwaha C. Krishant Pankaj C. Okay, Krishant Pankaj C. Yes, what about others? Shreya Veera, Veer Gupta. Where you are? Aishwarya C. Durgesh Rana C. Yes, what about others? New Setia C. Krishant Chauhan C. Parvora C. Krishant C. Krishant C. Okay. So 4.5 is the correct answer. Let us log this answer. Because 5, log. 5.625 divide by 1.25. When you want to remove the decimal, this will be 5625 into 100, because denominator after decimal 2 digit upon 125 into 1000. 125 into 1000. So 2 zeros get cancelled. So 5625, 125, 45. So this is 45 upon 10. 45 upon 10 is same as 4.5. So the correct answer is 4.5. Yes, 4.5. Okay. Chalo. Yes, chalo. Last one, 8th one, challenging one. 8th one. Predecessor of predecessor of 4.8 bracket is there. So first you have to follow BODMAS. You have to simplify the bracket first. Then find predecessor divided by successor of 9. Option A 0.1, option B 0.2, option C 0.3, option D 0.4. Yes, do it. Yes, my dear. A is the wrong answer. Yes. Chalo. Challenging means challenging. Chalo. Aishwarya C, Durgesh Rana C, Parbora A, New Setia C, Hitan Sangvi C, Durgesh Rana C, Hitanshi Sangvi C, Durgesh Rana C. Yes, what about Shreya Veera, Veer Gupta? C, New Setia C. Okay, C. C means 0.3. Let us check it. First you will simplify this. 4.8. 4.8 into 0.8. You will multiply. 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32 plus 6 38. Then you will place the decimal after how many digits? No, you have to divide, my dear. 4.8 divided by 0.8. No. After decimal 1 digit, remove the decimal 48 upon 8, that is 6. So this bracket value is 6. So what is predecessor of 6? Tell me, predecessor of 6, 5 upon successor of 9, 10. Okay? So 5 upon 0.5. 0.5 है इधर. D is 0.5. चलो. Now tell me the answer. 0.5. Okay? चलो ठीक है. Bye everybody. See you in the next period revision. This video I will upload on YouTube. Okay, you can